guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I'm going to bring you a quick little kind of like a mini Ulta haul. I literally just got home. I put on a little bit of lipstick, I fixed my makeup a little bit, and I sat down, got my lights ready, and here we are filming. So I went to Ulta to see what was new with like makeup, a drugstore, and high-end, and I got a few things. I think I got maybe one or two repurchases, but the rest of the makeup is new that I've been like eyeing. So I'm going to share with you what I got. I am super cozy, comfy today. As you can see, I'm wearing my glasses. In case you guys are wondering, I think these are from Zillow. I will try to find them and link them because I get so many compliments anytime I wear these glasses because they are really cute and they are prescription, but you can also get them non-prescribed. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point. Grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's Ulta haul. Like I said, I literally got home and it's been raining these past few days here in Houston, and as you can see, my hair is like super poofy, so I'm sorry that I'm not like presentable, but girl, it is what it is. It is 6:20 p.m. I never filmed this late, but I went to church and then I went out to dinner with my sister, and then I came home, I did my nails, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to Ulta. Girl, I was at Ulta for like 2 hours, and then I got home, had a little bit of a dinner, and then here I am. So my hair looks a little crazy. I was gonna fix it, but I was like, they won't mind. Also, I wanted to show you guys my new purse. How cute is this? I got this from the TikTok shop. I'm literally obsessed with it, and I bought this cute little cherry charm. I know this is like a dupe for the Coach one. The Coach one is like $100. Girl, this one was only like $7 or something like that on the TikTok shop, and I think it just looks so cute. I will try to link it for you guys, but I love it because it is so big and it's like the perfect size to just like throw your keys or throw anything in there. And here's my Ulta bag. So let me show you exactly what I got, because I feel like I got some pretty good stuff. I know it's a little obnoxious with the lights, you know, glaring on my glasses, but sorry, I don't know what to do about that. And not always, I usually wear my glasses more during the night because girl, I can't see, and then with the rain, I'm not trying to get into a car crash, okay? Anyways, so let's dive right in. So let me show you, I got a lot of drugstore, but I got a few high-end. So while I was at Ulta, I was like looking for a new palette, and I didn't want to like spend too much on a palette because realistically, like, I don't use 90% of the palettes that I have. I really don't. So I was like, okay, let me get a palette, something new, something cute, something different, and something that's not gonna be like $40–60. And I came across this Morphe Party Crasher palette. Oh my gosh, this is like such a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. This shade right here immediately caught my eye. It's like a duochrome. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You guys see that? It is so pretty. It shifts. And I don't know, it just looked really pretty. I think I've seen somebody use this on Instagram and they made it look absolutely stunning. So I'm definitely going to play with that. And then from Morphe, I also got their Kiss and Breakup Soul Matte Lip Duo liquid lipsticks, which are these. I swatched them in stores and they are so pretty. It comes with the shade Wifey and Kiss Goodbye. I think they were $17 for two, which is not bad. This formula is actually really nice. It doesn't compare to like the Anastasia, which I was really bummed out that they didn't have the shade that I was looking for in the new Anastasia liquid lipsticks. But maybe that was the sign that I wasn't supposed to get those because I don't need them. I mean, I don't need any of this, but let me show you guys. This is Kiss Goodbye. And it's a really pretty, like, cool tone brown. It gives 90s vibe. So stunning. And the formula on these are really comfortable. They're more like a very liquid velvety, but they're not moussey like the Anastasia ones. And then this one, of course, I'm sure I have a million shades of this, but what's one more? This is called Wifey. It's like the perfect nude. Honestly, you can use these two. Like, you can line your lips with this and then fill it in with this, and that will look so pretty. And then from Morphe, I also got a lip liner. I don't need more lip liners. I have so many back there. But honestly, I think I just love collecting lip liners. It's like one of those things. This is called Sugar Pie. They had a few on their display and I was just like swatching them. I was having the time of my life. If you're ever feeling stressed and makeup is like your therapy, literally go to Ulta, and even if you don't buy anything, you just window shop, take your headphones, plug them in, listen to your favorite music, audiobook, whatever. Right now I'm listening to a new book from Colleen Hoover. I just popped mine in and I just like look around. I swatch everything, I play with things, and then I decide what I'm gonna buy and what I don't want to buy. But this is definitely a need. It is called Sugar Pie. Again, I just said that, but I was like, those or this lip liner looks really pretty against that color, which is honestly why I bought it. I got two lashes because, hello, I love lashes. These look really pretty from Ardell. These are the Eco Lashes in OMG 3. Look at how stunning. They look super fluffy, very, very me. I think I've used this in the past before. And then I got a new pair of my absolute favorite lashes from Juvia's Place. These are called Nubian Lash and Nefertiti. These are my like absolute favorite ones. I've bought these I don't know how many times, and anytime I wear these I get so many compliments. They're just the perfect length and size for my eyes, especially because I have a lot of space, like lid space, so bigger lashes look better on me. Smaller lashes, not so much. Another product for Morphe. This is actually a restock, the Continuous Prep and Set Mist. This one in specific is the Supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants. This is my all-time favorite, not necessarily setting spray. I don't use this to set the skin. I just use this to kind of like take away that super matte powdery finish or feeling of the skin, because I do powder my skin a lot because I'm oily, and this just like melts everything together and it looks so good. So I love this, and again, that one was a repurchase. I've been eyeing this for a while, the new Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Smoothing Primer. I saw that this was a pretty good dupe for the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer, which if you know me, you watch me, you know that that's like my absolute favorite primer of all time. And so I decided to give this a try. Oh, that looks really nice. That has a really cool whipped formula and there's no scent. Oh my gosh, that feels really nice. Wow, okay, that definitely reminds me of the Huda Beauty blurring primer, whatever the new one is. Very similar in formula when it's like whipped and that gel consistency. I wonder if this contains silicone. Yeah, so this hydrates and blurs with a cooling sensation. It contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I got the new shades from the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blushes. Honestly, I was just gonna get one, but they all looked so pretty. I got Cheeky Lychee, Copper Etiquettes, and Bold Face Lilac. Look at these. Look at how stunning they are. Oh my gosh. The middle one honestly looks really pretty. It's a lot more orange on camera, but in person it's more like a teddy bear brown, but with some like orange tones. I don't know. It's really pretty and I'm so excited. I'm not going to swatch them because I am going to do a full face testing all this product out. Okay, so on Sundays when I go to church, this is literally my go-to look. Like concealer, a little bit of bronzer, blush, curled mascaras. My brows nunca me faltan. But I wanted to try out some sort of skin tint, something that was going to just like perfect my skin, remove the redness without being a foundation. I just like to do very light makeup for Sundays. And I've been wanting to try the Kylie Skin Tint. This is in the shade 6.5 W Neutral. It took me so long to like excuse me, find, oh my gosh, excuse me, it took me a few tries to find my shade, but I picked up a 6.5 W Neutral and I swatched it. It looks like it's a great match and I'm really excited to see how this is going to work. It has some sort of like blurring thing to it that is supposed to make your skin amazing. I don't know. I just tried. I'm gonna try it and see if I like it. I picked up a new sponge. This is the Morphe and Ariel Soft Sculpt Signature Sponge. I used to own this. I don't know what happened to it, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get me a new one because this is actually a great sponge. Besides the Beauty blender, that's probably like the next best thing. One of my all-time favorite mascaras, if not like my second all-time favorite mascara, is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And I ran out of it months ago and I just haven't purchased it. I literally been forgetting and I've been substituting it for other mascaras. And it's so funny because anytime that I'm going to do my lower lashes, like in my brain, I always want to go for this mascara, but then I don't have it. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to pick it up. I did get a mini size just because the full size are pretty expensive. They're like 30 some dollars, which that's ridiculous for a mascara. $30? Really? Like, absolutely not. So I just got the mini size. I think these are maybe like 16 or 17, which is still expensive for a mascara, but I actually really like it and I love how it lengthens and makes my lashes look thick because I have pretty thin and like small lashes. I got two products from Fenty Beauty. As you can see, I am a lip girly through and through. These are the traced out pencil liners. I got this one in the shade Peanut Butter, which was the last shade, and I was like, okay, maybe this is a sign I should get it. Not really, I was just looking for excuses. I swatched it and it was so incredibly creamy. I was like, okay, maybe I do need that on my lips right now. That is a shade right there. It's a very soft brown. Again, I know I have a million shades of brown lip liners, but what is one or two more? And then I picked up the Gloss Bomb Sticks. This one is in the shade Fenty Glow. I really wanted to go for a different shade, but I was like, no, let me try something new because I always go for like those light peachy, super nude shades. And so I decided to go with this one. I'm going to show you guys a little swatch. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's still nude, but it's just, I don't know, it's a little different. So I wanted to try it. And honestly, next to that lip liner, I was like, that is really pretty. And it's giving like soft glam. So that would be perfect. Another lippy product that I picked up is the new NYX Butter Glosses in this shade. What is this? It doesn't have a name, and I just realized this looks a little open, so yuck, but hopefully nobody dug their finger or their lips. Look at how pretty it is. It's like swirled, and the shade is obviously right up my alley. I honestly don't want to mess it up. So we're going to do a little swatch. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that's actually really pretty. It's like a maple glazed brown. It's that one right here. If you hear a noise in the background, my husband is vacuuming, so please ignore that. And then the last product that I picked up is a skincare product. So I ran out of my niacinamide peach serum from Anua, I believe, maybe about a month ago, and I was about to order it, but I was doing some research and I was looking up, you know, best niacinamide serums, and this one came up amongst others. So I was like, okay, let me try something new. I know that I love the Anua Peach Serum. Like, I know that's a holy grail. If this fails, I know I can go back to that. But I've heard a lot of really good things about this brand, and I don't own anything as far as like skincare. I only have their like oil to gel foam cleanser, something like that. It's like this body wash, and I love it. So I was like, maybe I will like this. It is the niacinamide serum, 12% plus zinc. This reduces congested pores, dark spots, and uneven texture. Anytime I use niacinamide, it literally brings my skin back to life. And again, I've heard nothing but great things about this brand, about this product, so I figured we're gonna give it a shot. Plus, niacinamide is perfect for us oily skin girlies. I swear by it. It changed my skin. And this, next to tretinoin, which is, you know, another skincare product that I use religiously, I think it's really going to just amp up my skin. So that is everything that I got, you guys. Believe it or not, I spent a little over $200 on this. It's ridiculous how expensive makeup is. It's like, girl, in this economy, no ma'am, but here I am. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Ulta haul. Let me know in the comment section right now what products stood out to you. Is there anything on the market right now that you guys want me to test out? I think I'm going to place an order for the Sephora VIB sale. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Other than that, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.